going to see them again. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Matt and I will be your skipper today. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet all the way inside the boat. Parents, supervise your children. They are adorable. You gotta keep us on our... Try to get out of the Amazon rainforest. It's actually a mist forest for anyone that missed it. And look, the first sign of danger right there on the board. And to the right is the temple of the Forbidden Eye, the current home of Indiana Jones. Twice away, actually. Dr. Jones tried to get me to join the expedition, but I told him no. Did not want to see my career in ruins. Speaking of ruins, that is a... Nope, that's a 500-pound tiger. Okay, want to know what steps you take when you see a tiger? Long ones, really quickly in front of your best friend. Oh, hey, look, a bunch of people I went to high school with. That was a pretty swift joke, I know. And that is Ginger in the water. Watch your fingers now. Ginger snaps. She's one tough cookie. Yeah, the joke was a little crummy, I admit. We are now entering the, sacred wading pool of the Indian elephant. There are so many here. I would say that is pretty much unheard of. Yeah, take as many pictures and as much video as you like. They all have their trunks on. Including Bertha. So Bertha has been in that shower for what feels like 70 years. I think she's going to need to see a pachydermatologist. Speaking of showers, this is Squirt. Now he loves to get the boat wet. Down, boy! Down, boy! Down, elephant! Bad. There we go. No, not my engine. Hey, he's a bad duck! 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 Goose. It was just a little bit of dry humor. I would never put you guys in any real danger. Coming up on the base camp of Dr. Konchinosuke. Oh no! The monkeys are carrying! They're carrying a child! And they drained the battery on the Jeep. We're never getting that to turn over. As we come around the bend, you're going to have a lovely view of the world-famous Schweitzer Falls. Now, these are actually named after the founder of the Jungle Navigational Company, Dr. Albert Falls. And if you look out the port side, that is the left side right over there, you are going to see absolutely nothing. Right! Turn down the Nile River. Like my jokes, it goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, well, you're in denial. Thank you. These are a couple of African bull elephants right here. They are some of the most powerful animals on the planet. You know what? Pop quiz. Who knows how I could tell that they were African? Does anyone know the trick to that? Does anyone know it? Wait, what was it?
We're in Africa?
Your turn. Well done. Yes, because we're in Africa. Speaking of Africa, we have just entered the African veld, home to my favorite animal, the zebra. There's one having a nice nap with a really helpful bright alliance. He just looks tired, huh? No, kids, it's okay. The lion's helping end the zebra's nightmare. Yeah, there we go. Oh, speaking of nightmares, that is Skipper Felix. It was his first day today, and I think it's going to be his last. Yeah, the rhino really has a point to make, and I think he will in the end. Oh dear. Oh no, those are gazelles. Never mind. I think we just entered a pond filled with hippopotami. Okay, so the hippo is the world's most deadly animal. We are going to be fine, as long as they don't wiggle their ears or blow bubbles. Okay, cover your ears. I'm going to steer them off. Aha! I got the one in the tree. They are petrified. They are absolutely scared stiff. You are welcome. And we figured out what happened to Skipper Felix's boat. That is the Mekong Maiden. Or at least what's left of it. There is a lot of monkey business going on. I mean, some say a monkey could do my job. It's a good thing those are apes, yeah. I tell you what the difference is between a monkey and an ape, but it's such a long tail. Does anyone need to buy a boat? Because that one was half off. Oh, looks like they got into something up here. What does that say? Entomological. I don't know what entomological means. It really bugs me. Yeah. Those butterflies just ain't what they used to be. Calculus. Alright, everyone. Been real patient with me. I really do appreciate that. So without further ado, the moment you've all been waiting for, the miraculous, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world, it's the backside of water! O2H! 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 Thank you guys, thank you so much. Oh, that is the best one I've had all day. For anyone else, that is a chemistry joke, yeah? I like to whip that out from time to time. Some say periodically. Maybe I should table it. Don't know if I'm in my element here, judging by this reaction. Okay, so I'm going to level with you guys. See, I'm not actually paid by the mile. No, I am paid by the hour, so... More of that. More of that.
Oh yeah, so give them a $5.
It's funny you mentioned that because I've got student loans. I'm kidding. I am kidding. Guys, I am never going to pay those off. Let's go. That is a giant python shading in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. You know, giant pythons can grow to 3.14159 meters long.
Hey!
Rounding it a little bit. We'll circle that around the outside. Around the outside. And what cruise would be complete without your very own gift shop here? All your lost items can be found at rock bottom prices. Real quick, raise your hand if it's your birthday. Do I have any birthdays on board? One.
Not yours.
No,
That's Daddy's birthday and Grandma's.
Two. Let's see, two. Okay. Want everyone to clap along with me. Clap, 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 clap. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. Wave goodbye to the bunch. If we don't pay him, he just does it for exposure. Love the energy, folks. Keep it up. One last reminder, as we approach the dock, for your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet all the way inside the boat. That doesn't include those elbows. I don't want to scratch that dock. Alright. I'll be holding here for just 2 seconds. I'm going to go off script a little bit. So in Star Wars, what's an Imperial pilot's favorite food? Thai food. Alright, folks, we better give yourselves a round of applause. Absolute pleasure being your skipper today. I want to leave you with a poem. Roses are red, hippos don't float, your free ride is over, so get out of my boat. Alright, you guys are wonderful!